Part 2. While we're letting these runners run, here's the thing that the professional traders look for. They look for those key critical levels, like you guys, well, you guys didn't see it, but let's put it this way. If you bought in here and he thought the sell level was here and you got out and it went to here, it makes no sense. What should have happened is, and this is what I want for you, this is part 2. If you're going to exit a trade because it's a winning trade, don't sell your positions. Like, let's say it's here, right? You bought here. This is what everybody else, you guys end up doing. And I talked about this a little bit 2 weeks ago. You guys will say, yeah, but coach, my limit was $500. It's the most money I've ever made in my life, ever. I'm getting out. This is great. This is awesome. Woo. Okay, don't do that. What you want to do instead is put your stop right here, even if it's 10, 20 bucks short of whatever this number was, and let the damn thing run. What if you could have got 3 times more of that instead of going, I want out? Do you guys understand that?
It's getting out without getting out.
That's right, because your mechanical stop will shut you down if it pulls back. Hell, even if you gave back 40 or even $50 of the 500 for the opportunity for this to run another 500%. Who knows? Sky's the limit, right? But what you're not doing is you don't want to limit, you don't want to cap the profit. That's why when I hear people take profit, like in their actual trade, I'm like, you got to be careful when you're doing that, because all of these guys are missing the big picture. The reason why they don't have $1 million days, I'll be honest with you, the reason why, and the reason why they like can't believe what we're doing here, is that one move. The difference between them being a professional trader and what I could train them to become the world's greatest traders is that one basic move, which is just put in a mechanical and let it go forever. It's the one move. How many videos have you guys seen where you see them, they get to the spot and they're like, woo, and they get out of everything? And then they cut the video off 6 seconds later, but you saw that it like went to the moon and you're like, what did you get out of there for, right? It hit my key position level and I got out. Okay, well, that's great when you're first starting out, but I can tell you right now from doing this forever is let it run. Right here's the move. Even if you think you want to get out here, this could be the greatest trade of your life, right? From here to here. For some of you, it really could be. It might be the first time you went like really heavy in Tesla, or you know what I mean? That could be the move. Or maybe you're new to options or whatever it is. You'd be like, well, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. That's $1,000. That'll pay my mortgage. I'm happy. Nope. Put your stop right here. Let it run. Worst case scenario, it does all of this and you still don't realize like, hey, you know, it's reversed, it's turned, it's giving you all sorts of signals. Even if all of that, even if you still can't get it, no matter what, it would go up, down, all around, sideways, and come right back to where you were going to sell it anyways, right? Why not give it room to continue to run? Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes. 100%.
Yes, coach.
You do.